First, you take a bath with the intention of ihram. Then, you wear the ihram sheets. After that, you offer 2 rak'ah of nafil by covering your head. Then, with your head uncovered, you declare the intention or niyyah. O Allah, I intend to perform Umrah. Please make it easy for me and accept it from me. After leaving home, start reciting the below mentioned dua and Talbiya continuously. It is compulsory to recite the Talbiya loudly once. Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Then you enter Masjid al-Haram, recite the Durood al-Sharif and supplicate to Allah and proceed towards the Kabbah. In the name of Allah, O Allah, exalt the mention of your messenger. O Allah, forgive my sins and open the gates of your mercy for me. You keep your eyes fixed at Baytullah and say, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. After this, you recite the Talbiya and move forward to perform Tawaf. The prohibitions of Ihram: cutting your nails, hair cutting or removing extra hair from any part of the body, use of any scents on the body or on the robes, stitched clothing, sandals and flip-flops must not be stitched either and should allow the ankle and back of the foot to be exposed. Covering the face or the head, hunting of animals, even of lice, and sexual activity are all prohibitions of Ihram. For men, to Ramal, briskly walk during the first 3 rounds of Tawaf and walk normally during the other 4 rounds. Once you reach the Yemeni corner, either touch it with your right hand and say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Or if you are unable to do so, then continue without gesturing or saying anything from the Yemeni corner to the black stone and recite ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. When they will reach at Rukh al-Yemeni, which is the 4th corner of the Kaaba, they should only touch Hijr Aswad. After completing Tawaf, proceed to Maqam Ibrahim, which is the Prophet Ibrahim's station. At the end of the 7 circles, they will do Istilam, which is to touch or kiss the black stone, and say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, and recite the verse وَأَتَّخِذُ مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلَّى. The pilgrims will then offer 2 rak'ah of nafil close to Maqam Ibrahim without covering their heads. Then the pilgrims will go to Zamzam, which is situated in the basement of Haram. They'll go there to drink the water while standing and saying Bismillah and supplicating to Allah, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan wasi'an wa shifa'an min kulli da'in. The meaning of Sa'i is to run or walk back and forth 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa, which are situated to the north and south of the Kaaba. As you leave the boundary of the masjid, you can say, as prescribed for all masajid, Ala Rasulallah, Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Upon approaching Mount Safa, the following ayat is recited. إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله فمن حج البيت أو اعتمر فلا جناح عليه أن يتوف بهما ومن تطوع خيرا فإن الله شاكر عليم. نبذ بما بدأ الله به. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له أنجز وعده ونصر عبده وهزم الأحزاب وحده. The 7th trip will end at Marwa. After this, the pilgrim will offer 2 rak'ah of nafil. After Sa'i, male pilgrims will get their heads completely shaved. Females will clip their hair equal to a length of a fingertip.